Hi guys, I've got my lovely client Dr. Christina here today. As always, pleasure having you first and foremost. And thanks for leaving your hair to us here at Avosha. Thank you for your permission and this quick Q&A, which I get asked by many clients who's pregnant for the first time, especially, or whatever number pregnancy is that. They ask about our keratin treatment. I know your first visit with us was for balayage, and after that we did the keratin. I will put all the keratin process there for everybody to have a look. But today I thank you again for answering my mini questions. I get client ask when they're pregnant, is it okay to do the keratin treatment? Has chemical in it? I do answer all that question, but they do go on our page, they see you with your beautiful belly and then the babies. I did mini collage there. Now, you searched somewhere and you found us to be, we have no formaldehyde in our keratin treatment. So the question was, when you had the keratin treatment, I
was 30 something weeks pregnant with twins.
Here we go.
Yeah, so I looked like I was full term, but I was 32 weeks pregnant with twins. And it was fine. The medical consensus is that there's no harm from these kinds of hair treatments or any hair treatments, particularly this one.
The Gkhair?
Yeah.
Because it has no formaldehyde and it has no chemical in it.
The actual absorption is very minimal, so it's not known to harm the unborn baby, no matter what stage of pregnancy anyway. So that's the actual medical consensus. So if you look up the guidelines, it's the same sort of recommendation. We can have these kinds of treatments during pregnancy without any issues for baby.
Fantastic. And the other one is while you've had the treatment with us, because when being pregnant, mum usually very prone to environmental effects that surround them, what goes on with the, anything in the air, right?
Yeah.
Our keratin, regardless, it doesn't give any reaction. But again, when you're pregnant, you're more prone to...
You're more sensitive to everything.
Did you have any posts or at the time, we did have videos there, I can put up any reaction, itchy, word-free, sneezing?
I was completely fine, and I'm on the sensitive side, so I usually do sometimes get itchy or things like that with topical treatments, but I was completely fine with your keratin treatment. It's great.
Fantastic. And how long did it last you? And how was the keratin treatment after the baby born? How was your life overall?
It's all a bit of a blur now, so I'm trying to remember through sleep deprivation and everything, but it lasted a good few months, and it was a good idea to do for me personally because I didn't have a lot of time to look after my hair once the babies came. So it's good to sort of get that kind of treatment done, so that you can spend all your time focusing on your babies, which is what most pregnant women want to do once they welcome that bundle of joy into the world.
Absolutely. Yep. Thank you so much. It was great. And what did we do today?
We did an ombre colour and a cut, an ash blonde ombre, which is wonderful, and a cut, which is nice. It's my first haircut / hair treatment in 3 or 4 months, so
and last year it's beautiful, fresh, and for another 5-6 months. Now, last not least, when we do bleaching, balayage, ombre, or whatever, because you're using our recommended product, you have the whole range of what we have recommended you, customized according to your hair.
Yeah.
Again, people scared that when they do the bleaching, their hair gonna melt, burn, snap, dry, fall off. Is any experience? As you could see, we did full bleach, 45
healthy.
minutes.
Yeah.
How do you feel about your hair?
It's pretty healthy. I've had other hair treatments years ago, and my hair would look fried. Whereas
thank you. Your first visit, right?
Yeah. Whereas now it can this is quite a lot of lifting, isn't it? And even then, it's still feeling a lot better than it used to, which is great.
Thank you. I'm honored and I'm lucky to use the Gkhair brand in my salon for past 10 years. So thank you so much. I'll just have a swirl around here just to have a look.
You want me to turn around?
Yes. Ooh, okay. Just turn around, like stay at the back. Just like that. Okay, here we go. This is the hair we've done, and hopefully we'll do keratin whenever she needs it. But honestly, as you can see, the hair looks so healthy, shiny.